At this station, we're going to be playing a game called Icebreaker. So for this game, the students are going to sit around a table or a group of desks. When they get to the station, you're going to hand them out one cup, a napkin, one of these wooden sticks, a rubber band, and a snowball. The first thing they'll do when they get to the station is set up an icebreaker cup. In order to do so, they're going to take their napkin and open it as wide as it can open. It'll be as thin as it possibly can be. They will then take that napkin and drape it over the opening of the cup. They will then grab their rubber band and carefully place it around the cup and the napkin so that the napkin stays in place. One thing to note here is that if you are able to have a volunteer at the station, it would be very helpful if you have the volunteer set these cups up before the students arrive each rotation. That way you'll save a lot of time. This is especially important with the younger grades who may struggle a little bit more with setting these cups up. So once their cup is all set up, they're going to carefully place their snowball on top of their ice. The first person to go is going to roll the dice, and the number that shows up is the number of holes they're going to poke in their ice with their wooden stick. So go ahead, Gianna. Now, the object of the game is to make sure that your snowball doesn't fall through the ice. So you want to be pretty strategic about where you're placing your holes each rotation. Once the first person goes, they give the dice to the person to the left of them, and then they go and do the exact same thing. This will continue on like this, going around in a circle, everyone rolling and poking the holes until somebody's snowball is the first to fall through the ice. At that point, that player is out, and the remaining players will continue to play. You play this game until there is only one student left with their snowball still on top of the ice, and that student is the winner. One quick tip here is it might be helpful if you tell the students to hold the cup with one hand while they poke the ice with the other. That will help to make sure that the snowball does not fall off while they're poking the ice. Have fun.